Alright, so what's good YouTube, man? It's your boy Bifix here and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, as you guys know, I'd be more than happy to teach anyone how to start, making money day trading. So if that's the reason why you click on this video because you want to learn how to day trade and make money day trading, then you clicked on the right video. No, uh, I took a demand setup today and I caught a one-to-one. Guys, it's the same setup that I take every single time. I don't change up my strategy. It's literally the same thing. And I'm really just documenting and showing persons how a profitable day trader actually operate, right? Because a lot of times I think the conception of like or the understanding that most persons is supposed to have about day trading is wrong. It's consistency. You have to show up daily. If you know you're supposed to be trading every single day, show up. If you gotta wake up early in the morning to trade, wake up early and trade. Don't be lazy and keep putting off the days and stuff. No, bro. This day trading is literally a career. You have to treat it like one. You have to be professional. So that is the reason why I come on here and I make sure that I'm posting daily because I'm showing you guys that I'm trading on a daily basis. So once you can really stay consistent, that's where the money is going to come and that's where you're going to really start to learn. You have to get up and put the work in. It requires effort. So I've been profitable the whole week literally and um currently on a winning streak, right? Which is beautiful, man. Like, I'm not even going to lie. It's beautiful to be on a winning streak, and I'm happy for that. All right. So we want to keep up this same with this same win streak. We're gonna come back tomorrow. So today's Thursday, and yeah, we got a dub. We're coming back tomorrow, and we're gonna see what happened. But yeah, I took this demand setup here. Reason why I took this demand is, well, the overall time frame, well, especially on the daily time frame, is bullish, right? The market is going up. There's a lot of buyers in the market. So all I really did is I tried to look at price action. Price action is extremely important. Guys, you have to understand that we're reacting to the market. So all we're actually really doing is coming to the market, looking at how the market is moving and then move with the market. That's literally it. And it's that kind of mindset that really transformed my day trading journey. Stop trying to, I guess, tell the market to do or have the market or do what you think the market is doing. If that makes sense. All you really need to do is learn price action. You need to learn how to tell if the market is in an uptrend or a downtrend. You have to learn price action. Price action is extremely important. If you don't know price action, bro, you should not even be trading. I'm gonna make a price action video, but at the same time, there's a whole bunch of videos on YouTube, so you can definitely check out that. Right? But if you really look on the daily time frame here, you'd realize that the market is in an uptrend, which means it's making higher highs and higher lows. All right? So if you see higher highs, lower lows, higher high. No, so it's higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and higher high. So this high, you said higher low because this low is higher than this low. If you should look at both of these low right here, if you should look at both of these swing lows, it's called a swing low, right? Which one is higher? This is higher. So that's why you hear the term higher low. So when the market is in an uptrend, it is going to make higher lows and higher highs. What are higher highs? Higher highs are simply highs that take out the previous highs, that take out a previous high. For example, um, if you look right here, which one of these highs are higher? Let me go on. All right. So let me take off all. God damn, bro. Why my charts look so messy? Honestly, guys, I don't know. There's a lot of persons who come on here and they try to make their chart look all fancy and stuff. Like, bro, I don't really I don't be using indicators, bro. I like my charts to look clean. I don't like the whole bunch of no, the noise. All I need to see is price action. That's all I want. Price action, bro. I don't really need indicators. There's persons who ask if I use indicators. I don't really use indicators, bro. I used to use like the 200 EMAs and stuff like that, and the 50 EMAs and stuff like that. But I haven't really used those in a very long time. And the EMAs that I really used to use are EMAs that really can, I guess, tell you what direction the market is going in, if it's in an uptrend or a downtrend. But the best way to tell the direction of the market is being able to read price action. All right, so you got to know how when the market is making higher highs, and you have to know when it's making lower lows. All right, as I said, um, the market was making higher highs and lower lows on the daily time frame. All right, so that's the exact reason why I decided to take a buy, and the buy actually went. So it's really simple, guys. And to reach the point where you can become profitable, all you really need to do is practice. Like, there's so many, I tell people this all the time. There's so much I can teach you, bro. I can only give you the strategy and show you how to practice with the strategy, but the practicing and putting in the effort, that's your job. I can't wake you up out of bed in the mornings and tell you to trade. I can't force you to go back test. You gotta want to do that for yourself. You get what I'm saying? So once you put the work in, once you show up consistently each and every single day, you are going to become profitable. You are going to figure out forex, bro. I promise you, man. I promise. All right, here's the setup here. Okay, so yeah, as I said, the daily time frame was in an uptrend. Came on the 5 minutes time frame because, as you guys know, I go on the daily time frame to get the directional bias of the market for that particular day. Then I go on the 5 minutes time frame, and that's where I enter my trade. So I basically use two time frames: the daily time frame and the 5 minutes time frame. Daily time frame for directional bias, 5 minutes time frame for entries. All right, so simply demand setup, price aggressively shot out of my zone, buyers, whole bunch of buyers in the market, and that's the exact reason why price shot out of my zone. Break structure, guys, you always know I'm looking for a break of structure just for that further indication that price wants to goes up. Then I wait for price to come back to my zone. Pretty much came back to my zone, entered on the breaker candle entry, hold for 1 to 1, and that was just pretty much it. As you guys know, all our supply and demand setups needs to have a gap. All right, and my trade did have a gap. So that's just really it, guys. Coming back tomorrow, let's see if we can actually finish off the week strong. Um, that's it for the video. Peace and love. Make sure you like and subscribe too, because as you guys see, I've been dropping videos so freaking often, man. Like, I'm gonna be doing this. So if you truly want to learn, bro, if you want to be a part of a community, right, this is the channel for you. 2025 is gonna be a good year. Let's get it. Bye.